AquaCruiser review. Is it worth the money in this video? I'm reviewing the AquaCruiser motorized inflatable float to find out whether this viral water toy is actually worth your money, or whether the current online offers have too many warning signs to recommend. And the AquaCruiser is tagged with this video, so you can check the product directly while watching and compare the current listing and available options. First, let's look at what AquaCruiser claims to offer. One current AquaCruiser storefront describes it as an inflatable electric lounger with built-in propulsion and hand controls. The seller claims a top speed of up to 6 miles per hour, around 50 minutes of runtime, and support for riders weighing up to 350 pounds. However, this is where things get complicated. Different websites using the AquaCruiser name provide dramatically different specifications. Another AquaCruiser store claims only 3 miles per hour but up to 90 minutes of runtime, while one listing gives a 250-pound weight limit instead of 350 pounds. Those inconsistencies are a major reason I would be cautious before ordering. There are also questions about the retailer itself. A recent independent investigation highlighted several concerning signs, including inconsistent product branding, questionable promotional imagery, limited verifiable company information, and unusually large numbers of customer reviews for a very recently established website. Another independent review similarly found very little established third-party customer feedback on platforms such as Trustpilot, Reddit, Sitejabber, or the Better Business Bureau at the time it investigated the store. So while the concept itself sounds fantastic, a rechargeable float that lets you cruise around without paddling, I would not assume that the product delivered will necessarily perform exactly like the one shown in viral advertisements. If you already own one, use it only according to the instructions supplied with your specific model. Stick to calm water, stay away from strong currents and rough conditions, and never treat an inflatable motorized float as a substitute for proper water safety equipment. And because specifications differ between sellers, verify the actual battery, charger, weight capacity, motor system, and water use limitations printed on your specific product before getting onto the water. Here's a pro tip. Before buying viral products like this, reverse the normal shopping process. Don't start with the promotional video. Start with independent customer experiences, company history, payment protection, and the return policy. Then decide whether the product claims are believable. So, is AquaCruiser worth the money? Based on the information currently available, I would be very cautious. The advertised idea is extremely appealing, but conflicting specifications and limited independently verifiable customer history make it difficult to confidently recommend the current AquaCruiser offers. If you still decide to buy, use a payment method with strong buyer protection. Carefully document what was advertised when you ordered and check the current return terms before paying. Overall, I would wait for stronger independent testing and a more established customer track record before calling AquaCruiser a good value purchase. The AquaCruiser is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to review the current listing and exact specifications before making your decision. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which viral summer product you want me to review next.